Hi everybody, so welcome back to David's tutorial, and in this video I will show you the top 5 AI image upscaler in 2025. Hey guys, so here are some AI image upscalers. We have 5 of them. So first on the line is the Photopeia. So we have right here is an online photo editor. So yes, this one looks like Lightroom. So if you're familiar with Lightroom, then you are also familiar with this one. Second in line is the Photo AI photo editor. So yes, this one actually do automatic edits for you in just one click, just like as you can see right here, which it is AI powered. All of these are AI powered, so just wanna have some AI assistance for this one. Next in line is the Canva, the free version. So we all know Canva needs subscription, so you just wanna do the free one in order to have a free image upscaling. Next one is the Pixlr E, this one right here. So yes, it looks similar like Canva. And you wanna just right here are some details about them. Next in line is the remove BG. So this one is really famous in our um country. This lets you remove a background if you don't have like any background remover. So this one right here is actually free and easy to use. You just want to upload image and it will automatically remove the background for you. And that's 5 of them.